Changing improper fractions to mixed numbers, how do you do it, and what is each? So let's start out with this. I like to think about everything as pizza. This is an example over here of a mixed number. What it really is saying, okay, I ordered some pizza. I ate 3 whole pizzas. Every pizza was cut into fifths, and I ate 2 of the last one. So if I was to do a visual for that, I would have 3 whole pizzas that was eaten. 1, 2, 3. And I would have 2 fifths. It's hard to do fifths with circles, so I have to draw like this. I ate 2 fifths of the last pizza. Now, normally you see fractions as mixed numbers, and you don't see them as these, which are improper fractions. Think about how crazy it sounds. If your mom or dad says, or whoever you stay with says, well, how many slices of pizza did you eat? You said 13 slices. Well, obviously, if the pizzas were cut into 4s, you have eaten more than 1 whole pizza. So why didn't you just tell me how many whole pizzas you ate? I would have to figure it out. I would have to say, okay, the pizzas were cut into 4s, and you ate 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you ate another whole pizza. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you ate another whole pizza. 9, 10, 11, 12. And you ate part of another pizza, which is 1. Now, I can see that this is 1, 2, 3 whole pizzas and 1/4 of another, but how can I figure out to go from an improper fraction to a mixed number without having to do the visuals? If you follow these steps, divide your numerator by your denominator, and then look at these to tell you what to do with each number, that is how you do it. So let's apply this. Numerator by your denominator, what does it look like and how does it look? Now, this person says they ate 12 pieces of pizza. If each pizza was cut into 4ths, how many whole pizzas did they eat? Well, you would have to divide 12 by 4 and say, well, how many times can 12 go into 4? Well, how many times can 4 go into 12? Well, it goes in there 3 times perfectly with nothing left over, which means that that person ate 3 whole pizzas. Now let's do the visual to see if 3 wholes is correct. I have pizzas broken into 4ths. This person ate 12 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, that's 1, 2, 3 whole pizzas. So this idea of dividing your numerator or denominator into your numerator works out. What happens if it doesn't work out perfectly? What would that be? Well, you'd still divide your numerator by your denominator. Your numerator by your denominator. How many times can 22 be divided by 6? So how many times can 6 go into 22 without going over? Skip count by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. 24 is too much. So it can go in there perfectly 3 times with some left over. Well, 3 times 6 is 18. To get to 22, it's 19, 20, 21, 22. So there's 4 left over. That's your new numerator. And as it says down here, your denominator stays the same. So the answer is 3 and 4, 6. This number was found by saying how many times did 6 go into 22 perfectly. This number was found saying, well, 4 was my remainder. And this number was found because I said my denominator is staying the same because my pizza is still cut into 6. Let's see if it works out correctly. I'll draw my pictures into rectangles now. Zooming in some. 3 and 4, 6. So 3 whole pizzas. They're all cut into 6s though. So I need to draw 4 pizzas. Slide it down a little bit. And I ate 3 whole pizzas. And 1, 2, 3, 4 of the last pizza. And let's see if that worked out to 22, 6. I'm going to count them up. Change it to green so it's a little bit easier to see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that is correct also. So all you're doing is you're dividing the numerator by the denominator, working it out. However many times it goes in perfectly, that's your whole number. Your remainder is your numerator, and your denominator stays the same. I want you to try this problem. I want you to try to work out. I put it in the middle, put it in green. How would I write 17 thirds? How would I write 17 thirds as a mixed number? If you get the answer, I want you to put it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.